In the previous video, I covered how one small headline change can impact your profile and fill your LinkedIn DMs with recruiters' messages. If you have not checked the video, I am sharing the link in the description. Go and check it out right now because this is how it will help you land recruiters' DMs. Now, in this video, I will discuss about what you have to write in your about section. So this video will be divided into different parts. You have to listen very carefully about what you should write in the about section because in the end, I will tell you what CTA you should write so that you can recruiters know what you're looking for. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first top place, you first of all have to write what platforms or products you have worked upon. For example, if you have worked for enterprise SaaS, then you have to write in that way. If you have worked for B2C platforms, then you have to write in that way. If you have worked for B2B2C kind of platforms, then you have to write way. So whatever platforms you have worked upon, just clearly highlight that on starting of your about section. Once that is done, then second part comes is what major things that you have handled as skill set. For example, if you worked on API structures, you have worked on API architecture, you have worked on platform strategy, whatever your biggest skills are on a high level, you should write that in the second paragraph of your about section. After that, start writing your most impactful projects or the most wonderful achievements that you have accomplished in your work. For example, if you created a chatbot that reduced customer support contacts by less than 20%, then this should be one of your highest impactful points in the selected impact, which is the third part of your about section. In the fourth part, you should simply tell what values you are bringing to the table. For example, if you are very much strong in platform strategy or you are very much strong in system designing, then you should highlight all those skills. I can say in specific words that you should write all your skills in the fourth part of your about section. In the fifth part, which is the CTA, which is the closing of your about section, you should clearly highlight that I am looking for, let's say, software engineer 2 roles, I'm looking for manager development roles. Whatever your target roles are, you should write those roles in the about section in the closure. Once this entire thing is done, then only recruiters will know what your skill sets are and if this candidate is matching what you are looking for or not. Now, one thing which is left is you have to be very much clear about what you are articulating, because if you write some vague keywords, then definitely recruiters are not going to reach out to you, and in case they reach out, then you are not going to convert to the interviews because your resume will say something else, your about section is saying something else. So it's very careful that you write only those skills which you know that those you have already done, the work that you have already done. So you should be very much clear what you are writing. I am sharing my LinkedIn profile here. You can go and check it out how I have it written and how I am able to convert a lot of opportunities for myself and bring all the recruiters in my DM. I'm also sharing one link where you can talk with me. So go and check it out. You can book a session with me. I will definitely help you in updating your LinkedIn profile so that your DMs of LinkedIn also gets filled with the recruiters DM. So if you're new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a good day.